Alright, what's going on? We about to get into this video. How to edit eyes. I've already did all the retouching and such for this picture, so we really just gotta get straight into it. You wanna go and create a curves layer. And then from there, bring the whites up a lot. Alright, bring it up a lot. And then press invert, Command I to invert the mask. Get this shit out the way. Oh no, that's not even the right brush. Gonna use the regular brush tool. Make it really fucking small. There we go. Now I like to zoom in right until the picture starts to pixelate. Have the flow around 2. You just want to make small lines coming away from the iris. That's it. I'm gonna do this a few times, a few dozen times. Just keep going back and forth. Now there's faster ways to do this, of course, but it's not gonna get the same effect. I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit more, make this smaller. And just making these little lines coming off the iris. These little lines coming off the iris. Bring the flow up a little bit. Make some stronger ones, and then spread those out some. And back out to the picture. No. 4. After. No, you're not done. I'm not done. Second thing you want to do is widen up the eyes just a little bit. We're not going to do too much. Just brighten up the whites of our eyes. Like not too dim. Brighten up the highlights. Create a little highlight here at the bottom. And then press X. That's gonna change your color brush, your brush color from white to black. Black is gonna put the mask back in, and you just wanna kind of hit the edges a little bit just to make it look a little more natural. Bring the flow up to around 11. It just makes it look a little more natural. Let's back out of it. 4, after, before, after. Now, I'm just gonna do the same thing on this side, the exact same thing. Fold back down. Just making lines off the iris. Just making lines off the iris. Now it's important that you do these as lines instead of going off and then just coloring it straight in, because when you do it like this, you get that natural shape that the eyes make. And brighten them up. You can take as long as you want doing this. You can break it. The longer you take, the more natural it will look. I don't want it to do this all day, so I'm gonna do it like this. This is enough. This is enough. I'm gonna brighten it up, add a little highlight there, and turn it back to X. Bring it up to around 9, 10, and just bring down those edges a little bit. Come back, because I ain't do the white of the eyes. The white. And there you go. Boom, boom. All right, that was fast. It wasn't as fast as I thought, but that is the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, you know how it go. Let me know what y'all want to learn in Photoshop, and we out this week.